Hello, I will introduce myself. My name is Siti. You can call me Siti. I am years old. I study at Vocational High School NU Bantaran. I am in the 10th grade of Multimedia B. I live on Gunung Tugel. My hobby is tailor. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.